Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen rotation not working on your Motorola Moto G67. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and enable auto rotate in quick settings. So we're gonna swipe from this side right here, we're gonna swipe another time, and we're gonna enable the auto rotate. So we need to make sure that it says on right here. Now let's go and try it on the Play Store for an example. So we want to tilt the phone to test the gyroscope in different apps. As you guys can see, it is working perfectly fine. Let's check the Chrome. Also works. Let's check the messages. Also working. Now for the phone also works, and etc. So now we have a clear proof of our screen rotation working. But if it's not working for you, then what you guys want to do is restart the phone to reset the sensors. So we're going to press the power button, now the volume up button at the same time. Now tap on the restart and the phone starts to restart automatically. So it is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now, after restarting the phone, what you guys want to do as a last resort is update your software to fix any sensor issues. So there's not much you can do about the screen rotation not working. You can go to settings and update your software to fix any glitches. We're going to swipe down until we see system updates. Here, we're going to click check for updates, and it will check for us automatically. All you need is Wi-Fi for it. As you guys can see, everything looks good for me. I am on the latest version, but if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of the software to get rid of any old glitches on your device. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.